We have a Whirlpool washer that is actually leaking. The outer tub has a crack in it, so we're going to actually replace that. So what we're going to show you in this video is how to actually remove the outer housing, the agitator, and the top of the basket that holds your water for your machine here. So here we go. We're going to first remove the screws in the back of the control panel. One in each corner right here, 2 screws. I've already loosened those. Take them loose. Then you wiggle your top a little bit, flip it up. And then we want to unplug our lid switch connection right here. Simply unplug it, tuck it out of the way. Take a screwdriver, these 2 clips right here. Simply pry up on those and they come loose very easily. Then we want to remove this actual housing. Removing the housing is not necessary to remove the actual agitator, but for what we're doing, we need the housing removed. We're going to move our soap dispenser. We look down in here and there's a little seal that seals off, keeping water and soap out of the components here. Pull that out. There's a little bolt down in there. You want to pull that right out. You have to hold your agitator sometimes to get that bolt loose. Then the top of your agitator actually is loose now. See me picking up on it? So you can actually pull that right off, set it aside. And now we're going to actually pull the agitator itself out. It comes right out. Now we have just the spin basket itself. Now we're going to actually remove the top. This is the drum that holds your actual water. We're going to actually remove that. Very important to mark the top before this is removed, where it's easily. I take a Sharpie and just put an arrow on it. That way I can line back up when we put the unit back together. Simply apply a little pressure to each catch here. Hold down, kind of pull out. Go all the way around the unit. And now we have removed that.